Let's check out what's inside this USB 3G dongle. This device is like a mobile phone without battery and screen. It plugs into a PC and connects it to the internet through the mobile network using this SIM card. This particular one also has a slot for microSD cards to act as a card reader. So we pop the outer shell open. And now we need to undo the two screws near the USB connector. Now we can see everything that's inside. This translucent part is the antenna. The actual antenna is the metal piece, shaped in a special way in 3 dimensions. Contacts for the SIM card, the SD card reader, and there are actually two printed circuit boards connected together. Chips are covered with metal shielding that protects them from interference. This is how two sides connect together. More shielding and more chips under it on the other side of the board. The best way to appreciate the complexity of the 3G dongle is to compare it with a similar but much simpler device, this USB Bluetooth adapter. Working frequencies of both devices are very similar, but power and throughput differ dramatically. What we see here is much less stuff on the board and no additional shielding at all. And look how the antenna is nothing more than just a specially shaped trace of the circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.